There's another major spot, one of the major directions. As you can see the differences. Let's go closer. And this is how the difference looks. Now while we move towards the direction where it is proceeding from, we'll look at the cloud to see properly the difference. This is a great difference. These waters are being separated. This is the separation point, and when we look, you find a shape that is impossible to explain. This is one of the things I'm trying to explain about the supreme nature. That is the form. And here you see, let's come closer. Here you see okay, it's not easy, but you can see what I mean anyways. Here you see the separation. The new world is dominating and swallowing the past. Let's go closer to the city to see more. There is a great difference between here and when we go on to here. Over there you have the new energies enforcing the new world, like prophesied yesterday and as well before the beginning of the year of Jubilee. Now zooming into this, you can see the energy so you don't misunderstand. That is the form, breaking every angle of the cloud, slicing through to divide and bring this new world that I pray to also experience to the point. Now this is how to explain why it is coming from the city's direction, but it was prophesied. The opposite direction does not consist of the same futures. This is purely clear and not the way it used to be with the presence of the high energy authority. This point is leading from a far distance. Looking at it properly, you can see how bright it gets and how beautiful it becomes. This is the new picture of the new world.